It's a triumph. It's Ralph from Knox. Come on, Ralph.
Testicle sack is now so large, he has to wear a huge hoodie upside down instead of trousers.
Hey, you can tell it's been a late one when we're driving home in the pitch blackedness and I'm going through water. It's fucking water, we've got floods. Fucking floods, what's that all about? Fuck about. And off we go on the final commute of the week. It's been a funny week and a funny return for the new year, like, but keep chipping away, doing what we love, mate. Happy days. Oh, here we go. Look at this. I'm hoping that the camera picks it. I'm glared out by the sun, so I'm hoping you see better than I do. But fuck about, look at that, it's gorgeous. Look at the sky, man. I love these. It's not great in the workshop, as you might be surprised to hear, actually, but outside, I mean, fucking look at that, it's gorgeous, man. That is just so fucking stunning, absolutely stunning. So, yeah, this is a Saturday night, and it's not as late as it was supposed to be. I'm going down the back lane because I've just come from the workshop, which is not something I usually do on a Saturday night, but a fucking car blown a fucking, hey, you blown a seal there. No, it's just fucking frost on my moustache, officer. Yeah, I've blown a fucking turbo boost pipe, haven't I? Fucking out and about on my jollies in fucking deepest, darkest fucking Nottinghamshire. Managed to fucking guide myself back home and limp back to the workshop, but I need to investigate more properly when it's not actually a red hot car and it's not pitch black at fucking 10 o'clock at night, like, so, 11 o'clock at night or whatever it fucking is. So yeah, there you go. Such is the joys, eh? Fucking happy days. I just thought I'd take this opportunity to show you this fucking, this is like Blair Witch, isn't it, down here, like, it's fucking looks fantastic when I glance at the camera, but in real life it's just as fantastic, to be fair. So yeah, wish me luck. If I'm not back in a week, search the boating link. You ruddy fools! Here we go, look, sunshine on a frosty fucking morning down the main drag, because we've stopped off for some hot cob on the way, haven't we, boys? Hey? Got to have a bit of a fucking egg, bacon, sausage and tomato. So there you go, winter wonderland, driving away. it's been in storage for a few months because of the shitty winter, and I have just pulled the choke out, turned it on, gave it a couple of squirts of throttle, and it started straight up. Blown the tyres up, and now I need to take it for an MOT, which for you foreign Johnnies is a roadworthy check, government roadworthy check, once a year job like. So that's where I'm off to next. Hey, and there we have it. Myself a bit of wiperage. So yeah, it's certainly fucking, it's unbelievable. It's spring like in fucking a week or something. But we got this. So yeah, the best take it steady. Now before any further ado, I have a parcel here. This is a gift from one of the viewers. So this is from Nick Bennett, all the way over there in the Australias. And he says, "Hey Ralfy, here's a sample of our fine Aussie cuisine for your enjoyment, mate. The Vegemite is an acquired taste, although I quite like Marmite, so I guess it's kind of, there you go. It can be used on toast, steering head bearings as an anti-seize, laugh out loud. Thanks for the entertaining vlogs. All the best, Nick." Nick, mate, fucking happy days. Thank you so much. We have Anzac biscuits. Fucking hell. We've got a stubby holder that I don't want to pick up because my hands are black. Fair dinking. Vegemite. Fucking brilliant. And some Tim Tam Chewies. Some Tim Tam biscuits. Chewy caramel and double coat. They look like penguins. We have penguins over here, don't we? So we've got biscuits, we've got Vegemite, we've got a stubby fucking holder, and we've got some more biscuits. Fucking happy. I'm so grateful. That's fantastic, Nick. Thank you so much, mate. Morning, boys. We're just off to our Danny Chollers to give him an hand. I'm just going across country to workshop to pick up some kit. So hold on, spin you around. This is what the view. We've got frozen fog, frozen fog, and we've got quite a way to go. We've got a good hour's drive ahead of us. Hopefully, this will clear up. Well, it's going to be nice and up north. It's only an hour. It's not that far north, but you know. So I'm not going to be able to film you. Hold on, let me spin you around again. Due to the ceremonial unveiling process of bringing out a shiny new one line, I'm not going to be able to film you, film me and him doing it, I don't think. So you'll probably just join me again when I'm back at the workshop, and I'll be surmising what a lovely day I had on Wednesday helping out Danny. See you later. I know. Quick sneaky peek here. Slip on rack. It needs some tube putting on the, some plastic rubber tube or something putting on the sissy bar to stop it digging in like, but here we go. Here we go. I've just been passed by one car. That is the traffic report for Burton Lazars on this crisp spring morning. Happy days. Let's get in there, get this done.
From North. Come on, Chief. Let's hear it. Come on, Ralfy. How is Chief?
Well done, mate. Welcome home. Top job.
Right, next up, runner-up best paint. It's Harley. It's George from Rhineland, Germany. Come on, George. Let's do it. Runner up, best try.
The Triumph 900 won another trophy, bless it. So that's fucking happy days. And let me spin you around. There are three of our lads, three of the Knots lads won trophies on our run at the weekend. So fucking big love to everyone, especially the lads that put it on, and everyone else that won anything on there. You know, fucking great. What a wonderful weekend.
Don't forget, folks, our Fuck Stock stickers are now available in our Etsy store. Link in the description below. Fuck Stock, you know it makes sense.
Here we go, look, we're in the club. Ilfracombe. I can't get the best shot, but you get the picture. There's lots of us here, mixing with the straights, and it's all a bit fucking weird, but there you go, happy days.
Don't forget, folks, our Fuck Stock stickers are now available in our Etsy store. Link in the description below. Fuck Stock, you know it makes sense.
Best of show for Devon. It's a triumph. It's Ralfy from Knots. Come on, Ralfy. Let's do it, oh. Fucking beautiful.
Los Angeles. You are too rough.
You have never been there.
Ralfy were in the club 20 years ago, and they were winning prizes then, so it's still in his spirit. He's still doing it.
And you have never
Welcome back, Ralfy. What?
You've seen the dawn rise.
No.
Go on, best of show.
Fucking love that. Strange but good.
Right, no, part two, look, here we are. 4 o'clock in the morning. Just waiting for my travelling companion Thomas, who won't be filmed, I'm pretty sure. I might try and snatch a bit of him this weekend, but I doubt I'll get away with it. Up at 2:30 to get here for 4. And it will be upon us shortly, I am very sure. Yeah, here we go, look. After a lot of food and a lot of laying down but no fucking sleep, like, we're landing in fucking Shooby-Dooby-Flooby-Dooby-Neben, fucking Holland, here we are. I'll try and catch some more on the boat on the way back. But yeah, so you saw me at the docks, and here we are back on again. Charlie Sharper. Is that EV? This will bike fucking bike 2A really. Bit of titillation done, ready for a run.
The captain nut's not there yet.
What do you mean the fucking captain? I am just back from Cambridge show. Lots of love to you guys, cracking show, and I've fucking done it again. Well, not me, the Triumph. It's fucking triumphed, hasn't it? So, here we go, still red hot. Fresh from the rides, fucking like the hottest day of the year. It's been over 30 degrees centigrade. It might have even been 33. Happy days. Gotta be pleased with that. Charles.